Managing money after retirement can feel overwhelming, but there's one rule that stands above all when it comes to securing your future: making sure your wealth is protected and growing in the right places. Today, I'm going to walk you through the number one rule for managing money after retirement so you can make sure your savings last as long as you do. And trust me, it's not just about knowing what to do. It's about taking action and positioning yourself in the best possible way. Now, before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth and securing a stable future for the next 2 decades, click the first link in the description. Thousands of Americans are choosing gold IRAs to protect their savings, and if you have over $100K in your IRA, 401K, or even $5 million in total savings, this guide could be exactly what you need. So be sure to grab that free resource when you're done here. Let's get into it. When it comes to managing money after retirement, the most important thing to keep in mind is this: diversification is key. You might have heard this term before, but what does it really mean for your wealth in retirement? If you only have one or two types of investments, you're putting yourself at risk. Look at the current financial landscape. Inflation is up, interest rates are rising, and stock markets are volatile. You need to be prepared for downturns, and diversification is the strategy that helps you do just that. But here's where most retirees make a mistake. They stick too closely to traditional stock and bond portfolios. While these might work for some, they're not as safe as they used to be. And that's why a gold IRA is becoming the go-to strategy for smart retirees. Unlike stocks or bonds, gold has historically been a reliable hedge against inflation and market volatility. Gold isn't just an investment, it's a wealth preservation tool. And for retirees who are looking to make sure their savings hold their value over time, a gold IRA provides a secure, tax-advantaged way to diversify away from the risks of the traditional markets. In fact, I highly recommend it if you want to make sure your hard-earned wealth isn't eaten away by inflation or unexpected market crashes. Now, I get it. Diversifying your portfolio can seem complicated, especially when it comes to adding things like precious metals. But with a gold IRA, you can take control of your financial future without worrying about the stock market's next move. You don't have to be an expert to get started. You just need the right guidance and the right platform. Speaking of which, if you're serious about securing your wealth and want to learn more about why gold IRAs are becoming the top choice for retirees, click the link in the description for the free gold IRA guide. It's packed with actionable insights that will show you how to protect your retirement savings and even grow them in the long term. Now, when it comes to managing your money post-retirement, there's another thing to consider: timing. The right moves at the right time can make all the difference. Let's say you're sitting on a sizable nest egg in your 401k or IRA. The goal here is to strategically manage withdrawals and avoid unnecessary taxes. With a gold IRA, you can preserve your wealth while withdrawing over time without worrying about tax penalties. This is an option you need to consider, especially if you want to maximize your long-term security. As a retiree, you should be focused on stability, not growth for the sake of growth. That means steering clear of high-risk investments that could take a heavy toll on your portfolio when markets drop. Gold, on the other hand, has a proven history of holding its value and even increasing in times of economic stress. To recap, the number one rule for managing your money after retirement is making sure it's properly protected and diversified. Gold IRAs offer a powerful way to ensure your wealth stays safe and grows steadily, even when the markets are unpredictable. So, if you're ready to take control and protect your retirement savings, especially if you have 100K or more in your IRA or 401K, or even 5MM plus in total savings, check out the link below for your free gold IRA guide. Don't wait for another financial crisis to remind you how important it is to secure your wealth. Take action today. You've worked hard to get where you are. Now it's time to protect it for the future.